Hi and welcome back to a brand new fantastic video. Here we're going to be talking about the wobble effect on a synth that you hear in Future Rave at the moment. That synth that wobbles. Anyway, I'll show you what I've done. You can listen to this. So you hear it on its own. So the way I did this is quite simple, really simple. You open up Nexus, you find a sound that you like. I got the Future Rave pack from Nexus, which is really good. It's got some great sounds in it. And I chose Alive Once More, which basically sounds like this. Okay, so what I want to do is wobble it, and you've got the LFO speed here on a macro. Okay, it's already assigned. Best off finding a sound that's already got that. It's a lot easier. And then you can go into the layout and you can see you got the LFO here, right? So you see that moving. Now if I move the LFO speed, you can hear this. Now if you watch what I've done, you'll see the automation going on here. If I go back to the library, you'll be able to see that I've also automated the reverb to give it like a kind of weird depth thing coming backwards and forwards. So if you watch this here and here, you'll see the automation I've done. So there you have it. There you have the wobble synth effect. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe and all that kind of stuff. And I will see you soon. Ciao.